It's rainy this morning. It's Monday morning. And let's go to the gym. We're back to the parking. Cancelled kasi I forgot din na it's my coding today. It's Monday. Ito na lang, meron tayong kapote at cover sa shoes. So may reflector siya, no? Para safe ka on the roads. So, may zipper siya. And may garter. And mababasa ang yung shoes. So I've been using this for I think a year now. So far so good, wala pa namang sira. So this one also has reflectors. It has zippers and buttons. Tapos may hoodie. Safe na tayo sa. So kung gusto nyo rin pala nito, lagay ko yung link sa description para matry nyo. We are here at Flying V. Magpapa-full tank muna tayo kay Sky.